In the island of Ouvéa, at the southern tip, there are many islands. One of these islands, Mouli, is connected via a bridge, and underneath the bridge there are many fish, sharks, stingrays, and turtles.
Check out the colour of this water, it's just gorgeous. This is very cool, we can just see lots of fish in the water. Just standing up on the bridge and yeah, tons of fish around. We'll definitely have to come back here later for a snorkel for sure. Can't quite work out what these are, but they are very big fish. They're dolphins!
They're not dolphins.
They are okay. They look like dolphins to me. They are very big. I don't know what they are, but they are big.